Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So basically, you have to first go to the Facebook mobile application, and here you have to click on three lines which is on top right side corner. And if you're using the iPhone, it will be on the below side in the right side. Okay, so basically you have to scroll down and click on the setting and privacy, and you have to click the first option, that is settings. Okay, and after that you have to scroll down. Okay, and basically you have to click on download your data. Okay, so just let me find out, and here is download profile information. Okay, so basically you have to click on here, and you have to deselect all. Okay, and you have to just select the messages, and you have to go to the end, scroll down, and you have to select the all my data, and depending upon the date range, if you want to recover only the messages of a certain date, you can just select the date, and after that you have to click the format. Basically HTML is the easiest format, and you have to also click on the media quality. You have to just select, if you want a low media quality, you can just do that. I will select the medium one, and have to click on create a file, and after that it will take some time to load, and here it will say that I have requested, and the size, depending upon the data size, it will allow you to access your data. Maybe it could take 15 minutes, and it could also take your 1 to 3 hours also, so depending upon your data. So this is how you can recover your deleted messages on the Messenger app. And if you found this video really helpful, do subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.